check lang natin. So ayan. Alright guys, ayan. So bali ngayon nandito kami sa
Open daw, tingnan mo ako naka-open.
Island Point. Saan? What do you mean open?
Ayan o, open. For
Open house? Daya mo na. Huwag ka mo naman nag-open house. Hindi, close nga. Ayan o.
Paano naman close?
Ayun o, close. So ayan o, nandito kami sa Highland Point. Ito yung mga showroom ng mga bagong bahay dito. Ayan. Walang masamang mangarap, hindi masamang mangarap.
Ang ganda nito oh. Tingnan
Saan?
mo oh. Ang ganda ng garage nito oh.
Oo nga eh. Parang yung kalakuya lang din. Yan, mga
Parang ayoko, elevated masyado. Pa-elevate.
dami nun. Not Hatch Bay. So ayan, nandito kami. Not Hatch Bay. Malay ko kung ano-ano. Not Hatch. Ayun, may mga show home.
Nito oh.
Sabi nila energy efficient. Ayan. Why
Ano
not?
ba ito? Hindi bagay kay Marcel yan. Ito mga gusto ni Marcel yan.
Saan? Yung mga ganyang bahay. O,
Oo.
ikot pa tayo.
Tama na. Uwi na tayo.
Hindi, ikaw naman.
Papasok pa si Arya. Ano
Ayaw
ba?
nga pala. So, walang masamang mangarap. Walang masamang magtingin-tingin. Hanggang tingin-tingin lang naman. Pero, at some point, nangarap ka rin magkaroon ng bahay eh.
Diba,
Na ganyan eh.
may silang window shopping. Ito
Window.
daw shopping.
Window shopping sa snow. Walang masamang mangarap. Pero, i-manifest mo na. Diba? Ayan. Dito tayo ikot. Isang ikot na lang and then pauwi na
Tama na,
tayo.
babe.
Ito yung bagong dine-develop nila na mas, ito yung gusto ni Ate Sel na bahay, yung malakihan. Ayan. So ito oh.
Ito gusto ko 27.
So ikaw, mamimili ka ba yan? Pwede ka ba mamili?
Oo, pwede ka mamili. Alam mo
Na-
ang una mong steps?
What?
Tanangin mo ka anong una mong steps.
Pre-approval.
Mag-pre-approval ka muna. Tapos from there, umano ka na.
Yan oh. Tingnan mo, bagong develop. Lodger Head Road.
Roger.
Ayun oh. Nilalagyan pa nila. Pero siguro sa susunod, itong mga yan, magkakaroon na rin ng sariling ano.
Ito ang gusto ni Marcel, malaki yun.
Yeah. Walang masamang mangarap, di masamang mangarap. Pero darating din yung panahon, manifesting. Titignan natin sa susunod na video kung mangyayari ba yung mga dapat mangyari. Ayan o, dine-develop pa o. Diba? Ginagawa pa, literal na ginagawa pa. Nasa construction zone. Oh, diba? Yan. It's good, it's good. Are you ready, Arya? So we have a good weather. Ayan oh. Ganda ng panahon oh. +1? -1? Ayan, magkasama kami ngayon ni Aisha. Kami ay may pupuntahan ngayong araw na to. And today is January 27.
One of
Ooh!
my lucky number.
Is it 27, 28?
27, one of
Yeah.
my lucky number.
Oh, you can just push it. Come on, let's go. We're going somewhere. Lucky number.
Ako sa harap.
Sarap ko na.
Guys, hulaan nyo saan kami pupunta. Sasakyan na asawa ko yung kabaliwan namin dalawa.
I know, right?
Sasakyan niya lang saan kami magpupunta. And Lord, kayo nang bahala. Itataas na lang namin sa inyo.
Hindi ko nga alam kung paano tayo napunta sa sitwasyon na to eh. Dahil sa kabaliwan lang eh.
Nagsimula sa pag-ikot-ikot.
Ngayon may ano. Pambihira.
Yun na guys, yun na yung magiging bahay namin this year.
Claim it!
Claim it and manifest it, baby. Ayan lang, hindi lang mga ako mamaya heartbreaking naman to pagka parang
Well, at least we try. It's just a crazy idea. Wala namang mawawala.
sundan na lang natin
Sundan na lang natin
ating
ang agos.
ang agos ng buhay.
Sundan natin ang agos ng pagkakataon.
Pero naniniwala ako kayang-kaya natin to.
Yeah.
So na guys, ang magiging namin, this year's house namin. Claim it and you will receive.
Morning sunshine.
Saan ba ang sikat na araw?
Doon sa kabila. Okay lang din kasi may pintuan naman dito eh. Parang ang harap mo yung ano. Okay din, ganda rin. Kumbaga, yung sala mo masisinaga ng araw. Which is good, di ba?
Diyan, after ng roundabout. Ayun yung bahay namin. Guys, yun yung bahay namin yung binibuild.
Namin.
Guys, yun yung bahay namin doon. Yun yung bahay na yun.
Wala pa eh, no? Titingnan pa
Kaya
lang,
mo na.
pero namin na agad.
I-claim ko na.
Claim it.
Hindi dyan yung street namin kung hindi dito. Ayan yan, yung bahay na yan.
Ini-develop po.
Yung binibuild na yun guys. Ito yung magiging bahay namin.
Halos wala pang mga halos wala pang mga katao-tao rito. Pakanting lote, no?
Ay, tataka ko, bakit ano?
Ito. Diba? Yan, dito.
20 dito ka, liliko ka.
Uy, ang dami ng tao. I don't know where James is.
Ayun yata si James yung naglalakad eh. Nakita na ako naglalakad ng jacket. Ito yung 20. Ayan yung 20 oh. Ayan yung 20.
Maraming tao.
Andun si...
Punta natin.
Oo. Guys, ito yung bahay namin. Ito.
Bahay na.
Ayan yung bahay namin. Yung 20 na yan guys. Yung 20 na yan. Yan ang bahay namin.
Yan. So dito kami pinapunta ng agent. And ayan, nandito kami kino-construct yung bahay doon sa location na binigay sa amin. Pero mostly ito yata yon. Naantay lang namin si James. Siya yung tumulong sa amin or siya yung magpapakita ng bahay and claim it. Crazy things. Everything. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Tara, punta natin. That's crazy. Baliw. Kanto pala siya yung corner. How are you? Good.
Nice to see you guys.
Nice to see you
Yeah, long
again.
time.
Yeah.
You know what? We might have to go to a different house. You know why? They're painting. They're spraying.
Yeah.
I'm just worried that
Kid.
you guys
this
are
one?
gonna inhale the the smell
Yeah.
because it's really strong.
Oh, I
and they're
see.
not finished yet. So we could probably go to what do you call that? The Meadowland. If you guys want to follow me.
Okay.
Do you guys
Yeah.
know what that is?
No. No.
Okay, just follow me, okay?
Hi, Midland?
Meadowland.
Meadowland?
Yeah, it's on the
Okay.
same fall. It's like probably 3 minutes away.
Okay.
Yeah, just follow
But
me, okay?
but this is the one that you're saying?
There's one house I want to show you guys.
Okay.
I like this plan because it's within your budget.
Yeah.
And because it has like that's the one I sent you. Did you see the picture? I sent
Yeah.
you? That one has like a main floor, has a loft upstairs too,
Yeah.
right? And it's a 2-story. It's a nice home, right?
Yeah.
So we can always come back here later. But,
Okay.
let's go look at those two for now.
Okay, those two?
Yeah.
Okay,
Because I don't
sounds
want to
good.
risk anything for.
Okay, so they're working on it.
Yeah. This is almost ready. But,
Are we going back next time?
what are your schedules like?
After
After you drop the kids.
yeah, usually.
After,
Yeah.
Around.
Or it depends on Anna's schedule too.
This one I can probably show you guys. You guys work what time? You work after.
Maybe most likely Saturday, Sunday.
Yes.
Yeah.
How about weekdays?
I have Friday, but he's working on Friday.
I'm working Friday though.
You're working Friday? Okay,
Yeah.
that's okay. Well, I can show you.
Tomorrow after work.
Tomorrow after her work.
Yeah. I can show you guys this one. There's another one here too that I can show you.
Yeah.
It's probably better after 5 when. Because,
Yeah.
Because
Today?
even though tomorrow too.
Oh, tomorrow?
Because After work.
Yeah,
You can
after
follow
work.
me.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go, baby. Put your thingy. Come on. Come on, let's go. Go check this out.
There might be like some mud
Okay.
because the houses that Not all of them are completely finished, but you guys get to see the layout.
Oh, yeah. No problem. Go. Go check it out. Hi.
Hi. You guys like this one? There's an option there. Anything I show you guys that can be built in Highland.
There. Oh, I see.
Because not all the homes are there right now.
Yeah.
They might be in different areas, but
Okay.
you can build it in
In that area too.
Yeah. So this one you can. So
Oh, it'll be the same layout.
yes, everything will be the
Oh.
same.
The dining area, yeah.
So I'll send you guys like the floor plan the pictures so you guys can see it, right?
Yeah.
It's, this one's the next layout as well.
It's actually not a meter upstairs, I mean, there's one here right now.
It's alright.
Okay, let's go.
Hindi na makatapos pa. Yung ceiling.
I can see like some of the models, like the washer and dryer.
Ganito lang itsura ng mga bahay pag binibuild. Ayan. Ganyan lang. No? So makikita mo talaga yung outline. The only problem with the high ceiling is that how would you replace the lights there?
You know what? You would have to obviously need a big ladder.
Yeah, longer and higher. Higher ladder, yeah. Because this one is just small, you can replace. But with those high ceiling, oh, I was just checking it right now. How would I do? How would I change it if the bulb burnt out?
As long as there's lots available, there's a lot.
But the price is like the same here and island, right?
It's pretty much the same.
I see.
Yeah.
Anyway, sabi naman ni Angel, it's just if newly build is which he can go max
At the time it's being built, you can sell it.
during.
Yeah.
I see. And you'll help us with that, right?
Yeah, so other options too, right? When I built my house, right?
4, 6, 5. 4, 6, 6. 4. Di ba to?
Ito yata. Yeah, basta million eh.
Tingnan mo nga, buti ka.
458 yan.
Yeah.
Saan ako ako? Dito lang sa yan.
Fire hydrant pa yung bahay mo.
Dito na ako.
Okay, okay. Guys, pupunta na kami sa model ng bahay namin.
Model, dahil ito'y napakalayo.
Model lang po to.
Model to ha, model. Yan, sinampa ko na dito yung sasakyan kasi hindi ko alam kung saan magpa-park. Yan. So to, pupunta lang namin to para makita yung actual na style na ipapabuild. Oh, ayan oh. Hi, James.
Okay.
We're good.
Hey,
Oh, wow.
so this is it.
This is the garage.
Yeah, this is the one that we're supposed to look at.
Oh, the one that...
Yeah, but the one that was being painted.
I see, I see. Oh,
This
wow.
is the model of 20.
The grouse? The goose? The
Yeah.
goose.
Goose.
Yeah, that's the one.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
I know, I just said I don't know if it's
Grouse.
Goose.
So, because it hasn't been for rental.
So this is a bedroom?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
But you can build this in Highland if you wanted.
Okay.
For bathroom as well.
Okay. The Arta. I can change the order. This is 9 feet.
Base.
This is going to be the
This one has. I'll show you guys another one. There's another one, a different house there.
Okay, okay.
But this one's
You know what, my only comment is that parang masayang tong space na to.
right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what they did here was they made it into like a loft. Another space for.
For something to stay on, right?
Yeah.
Parang upuan.
Yeah, a chair or.
Ba't lagi ka bang may bigay
No, if you don't, something that if you don't want to go down,
Here's your laundry area.
Laundry,
Yeah.
yeah.
that is something that if you don't want to go down, just want to hang out here. Ito
You can
yun.
close it off. Oh no, actually that's the laundry area. So.
Yeah. But it could be another room.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the laundry.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And then 3 rooms, 4 bedrooms.
But it's still good.
So, ang question ko sa'yo, anong gagawin mo sa ganito? Space?
No, you can have your own ano rito, space for office or something,
Yeah.
or a playpen for the kids or something.
Pwede rin.
There's another one we'll look at.
Ah,
It's another
okay.
two-story home.
But I love this. I like it.
And this is the where's the master's bedroom here? This one is the master's. Oh, this is the master's.
Yeah, master bedroom
The
and then
masters.
we'll have an ensuite.
Parang na-
Oh.
nagtanong ng konti.
Dalitang ka pa?
Ha?
Dalitang ka pa rito?
Kasi nga para ako itong unang humungad sa akin itong space na to.
Oh, walk-in closet. No, I think it's
Sabagay.
it's going to be functional kapag may gamit na yan.
It's
If there is,
Yeah, if you put like a couch.
yeah, small couch or something that kung ayaw mong bumaba,
The rooms are bigger.
it's big. Yeah.
Compared to the bungalow we looked at, it was a little smaller.
What's that?
It's the bungalow is smaller.
Oh yeah. 560. 560 to build.
Yeah, and then if you wanted to upgrade it
So
a bit,
if it is like this already, like if kung ganito na at east na, 560 pa rin?
the way, well, this one has some updates. Like I can show you. Like this is quartz. If you look up through the whole house, they have quartz, right? So that one, the quartz, the flooring, laminate flooring in the basement,
Mm-hmm.
that's extra. But all in all, I would say about 575
This one.
with everything.
So right now, ito naman yung isang showroom. Pupuntahan namin. Open house. Display home. Ayan. So nandito kami sa Highland Point. And this is the house. Open house. Na tayo. Sala. Bakit?